Hi, this is Heather Gust, and I'm going to show you how to find and navigate your child's Google Classroom. So if you're looking at a Google screen, you may have this bookmarked in the bookmarks toolbar, but if you don't, it's really easy to find. If you go over to the little Google Apps icon here and just click on it, you'll see a bunch of apps that come up, and I'm going to close my screen here so that we can see them. Over here, you will see the one that says Classroom, looks like a little chalkboard. And you will see all of your child's Google Classrooms that they belong to pop up on the screen. So these are the ones that I belong to here. If your child needs to log into a classroom and they do not have it on their screen here, let's say, for example, they should be included in a social studies Google Classroom and it is not on their screen right here. What you will need to do is make sure that student has their code to join. And you should be able to find that in their homework matrix, or have that child email their teacher and ask for the classroom code. And what you will do then is click on this button here, and it will ask you to create or join a class. And then you can click which one. And as a student, you will be clicking join a class. It will ask you for the code that you need to type in, and that'll give you access to that class that you need to join. I'm going to click cancel here. And I am going to show you how to take a look at my Google Classroom for my Math 1 class. So you're just going to click on the class and all of the information will pop up on your screen. Now, mine may look slightly different than a student's because I'm looking at the teacher view, but all of the information on here will be the same. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you will see all of the assignments that I have posted for the students in this classroom. It might look a little overwhelming because you will see, if I just scroll down quickly here, that there are a lot of different things that I've posted. So what I want you to know is, as a teacher, we have the power to go ahead and put whatever we've posted that's important up to the very top of the screen. So when you log on or your child logs on, what they're looking for is probably at the very top of the screen. And it'll also tell you the dates that the teacher has posted the assignments. So my most important assignments here are that we are going to have a Google Meet, and that the assignments for this week are right here. And you'll see that they have been the latest things that I have posted, March 29th and March 30th. So if I click on this Google Meet tutorial, what's going to happen is it's going to give me some instructions. Now, this might look a little different from student point of view. So I'm going to click on instructions. And what this is going to show you as a student is the instructions say, watch the video below to learn how to join the Google Meet. So they have a video clip that they can click on. They can watch a video, and it gives them instructions for what they need to do to join the Google Meet on Friday. Now, in order to get out of this, what they need to do to go back, if they click the back arrow, it may take them all the way out of the Google Classroom. So if you just click back on this Gust Math 1, it will take them back to the screen that they were on before, and they can go down to the next activity or assignment. So I'm going to click now on the assignments for the week. And this is going to look a little bit busier when you or your child clicks on this. It's going to tell them that this assignment is actually due tomorrow. So it's for the week. It's worth 6 points here. And it's going to give them all of the information for the assignments for the entire week that they need to work on. Also below, I've posted some videos to help explain the work that they need to work on. And then your child has the power to leave a class comment on some of your Google Classrooms. So your child can post a comment like, Mrs. Gust, I don't understand how to do IXL Z6. Or Mrs. Gust, are all of the assignments due on Friday or just the first one? And then what that does is it leaves that comment and it goes straight to the teacher's email. So the teacher gets those comments and then can reply back to your child as soon as they possibly can. If I go back here to the screen that I was on before, it also shows you the upcoming assignments. So here it says due tomorrow, and then there are a couple different assignments. If it doesn't show all of them, I can click view all to see what else is due. And then if I scroll down, anything else that's here, you will see has been from earlier in the school year, but you may also find some information that is important to the students, such as their IXL username or password. It may also have slides on here that the teachers use throughout the school year that have some nice links to other things, or it may tell them how to access their book online. So it wouldn't hurt to scroll down and see some of the other things that your teacher has posted on this Google Classroom that is possibly a great resource for your child to access as they're working through their assignments. Again, if you have any other questions that you have for your teacher or your child has for their teacher, you can reach that teacher at their email, which is their first initial of their first name, their last name with no spaces in between, all lowercase, at sylvaniaschools.org. Thank you.